boys and girls, let's get ready for our last part of our OG lesson. I want you to still keep writing with me. We have a new word, and our new word is new. Look at that. N-E-W says new. All right, like here's my sentence. I would like a brand new bike. All right, can you think of a sentence on your own? Now let's get ready to do our skywriting. You can do it with me. Here we go. N-E-W says new. N-E-W says new. N-E-W says new. N-E-W says new. Can you trace that on the back of someone by you? Can they guess what word you're making on them? N-E-W says new. Let's get ready to write it. Let's write it our 4 times. Let's say it as we write it. N-E-W says new. Are you writing it? N-E-W says new. N-E-W says new. N-E-W says new. If we write it and we say it, it's going to stick in our brains even better. Can you write it without looking at your other ones? I know that we're doing it a little bit different. Can you do it without looking? Now let's go back to some old words. Do you remember how we say this word? Say it to someone at home. If you said over, you are right. Let's write it on what we're writing on. O-V-E-R says over. I will jump over the puddle. Do you remember what this word is? Say it at home. Part. P-A-R-T says part. I would like part of that pizza. Did you write it? Did you write it? All right. Now we are ready for our sentence. Let's write cops. If you're writing on a board or a piece of paper, let's write cops. Capital, the order of our sentence, get our words in order, punctuation and spelling. Okay, here's our sentence. I wish I had a tall glass of milk to drink. Oh my goodness, this is a huge sentence. Let's do it slowly. Let's get this part. I wish I had. How do we start our sentence? Always with an uppercase. I, leave some space between your words. Wish. Now remember, wish is not a question word. So it starts with just a W, not a WH. I wish I had. Remember, I by itself is always uppercase. I wish I had. B checker. Make sure it's a D. I wish I had a means one. Tall. Ooh, tall is like ball. It has that all. I wish I had a tall glass. Glass. Now let's think about this ending. At the end of a one-syllable word, glass, after one short vowel, is spelled S-S. I wish I had a tall glass of milk. Go slow. Ilk. Ulk. Remember what says ulk? Ilk. A tall glass of milk to drink. Now remember the chunk that says ink, like in wink. Ink. Think of that chunk like in wink. Drink. I'm telling you, it's a telling sentence, so think about your punctuation. I wish I had a tall glass of milk to drink. Cops, capital, order. Ooh, let's count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 words. Make sure you got them all. Punctuation, I'm telling you. I wish I had a tall glass of milk to drink. It's a telling sentence, a period. And check our spelling. We went slow. Ulk, milk, drink has our ink chunk. Thought about your SS in class. You got it. Way to go, boys and girls.